Priyanka Vadra's presence at a top strategy meet at Rahul Gandhi's residence on Tuesday triggered speculation over her role in 2014 elections. But top Congress leaders clarified that Priyanka Vadra will not contest polls and will only oversee family bastions Rai Bareli and Amethi as she has done in past general elections.
2:30 p.m. on Tuesday afternoon. Top Congress leaders leaving Rahul Gandhi's residence. But what made headlines was the presence of Priyanka Vadra at the strategy meet. But amid speculation, top Congress leadership was quick to clarify that Priyanka Vadra won't contest 2014 polls and will instead oversee Amethi and Rai Bareli.
वे भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस की सक्रिय सदस्य एक लंबे अरसे से हैं। अमेठी और रायबरेली में वे चुनाव का काम देखती रही हैं।
A closed-door meeting in absence of Rahul Gandhi, with Congress top brass along with the party general secretaries present, only indicating a bigger role for Priyanka Gandhi in family bastions.
She has been a part of the Congress family for a long time, and as you know, she's been campaigning in Amethi and Rai Bareli as and when required.
She has never expressed a desire, despite media asking, to play a larger role, and none that I know about.
Sources say that Priyanka walked in towards the end of the meeting and was only there to finalize the campaign tours of Congress President and Vice President.
But this wasn't the only agenda. On its list was strategizing for the AICC session scheduled on January 17th, as well as discuss the rejig likely within the party.
Sources say that certain ministers could be called back to the party, and many general secretaries who plan to contest Lok Sabha elections, pretty much like 2009, will be divested of their responsibilities within the party. Apart from that, Rahul Gandhi is also looking at rejigging the media department.
As Congress got into a huddle, BJP didn't miss the opportunity to launch an attack on the Congress.
जिस प्रकार की परफॉर्मेंस उनकी रही है, उसमें मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसी भी प्रकार के बाहरी परिवर्तन से उनकी जो आंतरिक स्वरूप जनता के सामने आ गया है, उसमें कोई परिवर्तन आने वाला है.
They have every right to cheer for whoever they believe can give them some sort of better results.
A meeting that lasted for over 2.5 hours to strategize in order to change Congress's fortune in the upcoming elections. But can the Congress blueprint this late in the day really work? Bureau Report, Times Now.